Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present my final year project is Smart iCleaning Management System based on Internet of Things. Before I presenting, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tengku Yusuf bin Tengku Ibrahim Syukurillah. My number matrix is S46721 from Bachelor's Computer Science Software Engineering, and my supervisor is Professor Madia Dr. Mustafa Biman. The problem and solution statement. Firstly, time consuming for check and record the quantity soap in soap dispenser. Second, the current system is done manually. For example, record the use of soap in paper and difficult to manage, easy damage and loss. The solution is use device to monitor the quantity level soap and send the contractor and cleaner using Internet of Things concept. Produce code for every soap. And thirdly, difficult to manage cleaner. Lastly, difficult to update profile when necessary. Solution is track for the current information of cleaner by using Smart iCleaning Management System. Lastly, update profile with use of the Smart iCleaning Management System. Objective of the system. First, to analyze the cleaning management in Sultan Mahmud Airport, integration between the user which are the contractor and cleaner. Second, to design a system that friendly user interface can retrieve the data from the sensor and display real-time data. Lastly, to develop the Smart iCleaning Management System that provide the user to manage all business operations. Scope for my system is this web-based system developed for contractor and cleaner in Sultan Mahmud Airport. Second, the contractor and cleaner are able to prepare the right quantity of toilet soap to use in the amount of toilet by using concept Internet of Things. The web-based system will be designed to be proper system to solve and reduce the problem faced by the cleaning management in Sultan Mahmud Airport. Conclusion. The development of Smart iCleaning Management System for Malaysian Industry Revolution 4.0 to enable IoT in our daily life activity, especially for public hygiene system. With Smart iCleaning Management System, the manpower cost to manually check and track for the empty soap in a soap dispenser may reduce and increase efficiency in time management. Our ultimate goal is fulfilling customer certification for public hygiene infrastructure. The concept of auto-detection device can be applied for the other industry domains that might as well create new business opportunities in the near future. That's all for me. Thank you.